Next, now computer stores facts within its memory. For technical reasons, there are two kinds of memory. Broadly, that our computer memory is divided into two parts. These are primary memory and secondary memory. What is the meaning of primary memory? Bachche, listen. Primary memory is basically electronic memory. Okay. Primary memory is basically electronic memory. Its subparts are RAM and ROM. Bachche, RAM means random access memory and ROM means read-only memory. Its subparts are RAM and ROM. Bachche, RAM and ROM both are the subparts of primary memory. RAM means random access memory and ROM means read-only memory. These memories hold data only while the computer is on. Bachche, primary memory means RAM and ROM both are the temporary memory. Temporary means these memory hold data only while the computer is on. But when computer is turned off, the data get lost. Also, RAM is directly and quickly accessible by the computer. A data that have to be worked upon by the computer have to be brought into the primary memory. Specifically RAM and ROM. RAM and ROM both are the subparts of primary memory. ROM is also important. It stands for read-only memory. Some preliminary steps from booting up. Booting means start computer. When computer starts, that is called booting of the computer or read from the ROM. Bachche, primary memory is temporary memory. When computer is on, then your data saved. But when computer turned off, when computer shut down, then your data will be lost. Next is secondary memory. What is the meaning of secondary memory? Secondary memory is basically magnetic memory or optical or flash, but not electronic. That is not electronic. Secondary memory is long-term storage of information. That is also why primary is small in size, while secondary memory is mostly much larger in size. Usable for long-term storage. The most important secondary storage device is the hard disk. But a hard disk is used for long storage memory. Larger in size, hard disk normally placed within the system cabinet, and CDs, compact disc, DVDs, digital versatile disc, flash drives, memory cards, pen drive, these all are the secondary memories. These primary memory and secondary memory both are used for storing the data. Next is session 4, input, output and storage devices. Input, output and storage devices. Input devices, I told you firstly, keyboard and mouse both are input devices, because with the help of keyboard and mouse we can give input to the computer. Output, monitor, printer both are output devices and storage devices. Now, input devices are those hardware devices that take input from the external world. These are quite a few input devices for a computer these days. Only keyboard and mouse. Some of them are mouse and keyboard, joystick, scanner, light pen and touch screen. All of these input devices are connected to the system cabinet that takes the input and the processes the input data. But input devices, mouse, keyboard, joystick, also input device, scanner, light pen. Next is storage devices. Storage devices are the ones that store the information. Whenever you save something on a drive on the computer, it gets saved in the hard disk. Clear, bachche? Storage devices are the ones that store the information. Whenever you save something on a drive on the computer, it gets saved in the hard disk. Where gets saved? Saved in the hard disk. If you attach or insert other devices like pen drive, memory card, then they would also show up on the computer system as an additional device added. Output devices. Output devices are hardware of the computer that produce output to be consumed by the external world. These are very important as the purpose of having a computer will be defeated if no output is produced by the computer. Some of the well-known output devices are monitor, printer, speaker, plotters and belly embossers. Bachche, output devices, monitor. If we want output, then on screen, on monitor output will come. Printer, if we want hard copies, then printer will give us hard copies. speakers. If we want to hear music, songs, then with the help of speaker. Speaker is also output devices. Plotters and braille embossers all are output devices. Now बच्चे 3.2 finished. Next we will start 3.3.